Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacey, and today I'm making a delicious creamy cheese sauce. The kind of cheese sauce you'd want to drizzle over a taco or make a Philly cheesesteak with. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you're going to need some gelatin. Great Lakes makes two different kinds. You don't want the stuff in the green can, the hydrolyzed. You want this stuff, the unflavored gelatin. And you're also going to need an immersion blender. I love this Cuisinart Smart Stick blender. I'll put a link below where you can get it. It wasn't that expensive. It came with this cool little cup so you can make emulsified things. Someday I'm going to create the perfect mayonnaise and I will share it with you guys as soon as that happens. Until then, we're going to have cheese. We're going to start with 5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed organic lemon juice. Don't buy the stuff already squeezed, the juice in the jar. Just squeeze it. Just do it. It's, you don't want that stuff. And then we're going to make a gelatin egg. So gelatin egg is, the closest AIP substitute we have to an egg. When I tried making mayonnaise with it, I put too much and I got cheese, which is fine. Anyway, this recipe uses 1.5 gelatin eggs. So basically we're going to take 1.5 tablespoons. Then we're going to add 4.5 tablespoons of hot water. As soon as we get that into the gelatin, we're going to want to mix it up. So here's our lemon juice we stuck in there. Here's the 1.5 tablespoons of gelatin, and then we're just gonna put those 4.5 tablespoons of hot water in and mix. You don't want any clumps. What you're gonna have is gonna look like a raw egg white. There's your egg, your AIP egg. Too bad you can't make an omelet with this. Don't even try it. So 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1.5 AIP eggs. You need a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add the egg to this lemon juice, and then we're going to blend it with the stick blender. I hate dirtying more dishes than I have to, and your finger can make a great spatula. Now, when you're emulsifying things, you want everything at room temperature. So this is perfect because we took cold lemon juice, we mixed some hot water with that gelatin. This is about room temperature, so beautiful. Last but not least, 1 cup of oil. I'm gonna use this California olive oil. If you don't want to have a extreme olive oil flavor, I like it. But you could use avocado oil and then it will have, it won't have that olivey taste. The trick to this is that you have to pour in the oil really slowly while you have the emulsifier running, and don't be bobbing it up and down like I did when I mixed it. I'll show you. Okay, put your immersion blender in there and slowly add your oil. It takes freaking forever. That's how you emulsify things. Do you see this? Beautiful emulsion. This is wickedly good. Alright, so right now this is mayonnaise. If you want mayonnaise, you can use this like mayonnaise. The thing is, when you put this in the fridge, it's gonna solidify. If you're going to want to use it for mayonnaise after it's been refrigerated, you're going to have to take it out and you're going to have to heat it up. You're going to have to melt it. Look how thick and creamy this is. If you really want to make this taste very cheese-like, you can add nutritional yeast, although I react to it. I don't do well on it. I can't use baker's yeast, nutritional yeast. I know baker's yeast can be a gluten cross-reactor. I'm not sure about nutritional yeast, or it was some other component of it, but I don't do well on it, so I don't do that. But if you want your cheese to be the color of cheese, that's easy. Just add like a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. You can see, it's just been like maybe 5 minutes. It's already starting to thicken. I could put this in jars and let it, get all hard and stuff, but this is an even better way. I'm gonna spread it out on this silicone baking sheet. It's gonna be good. You can sprinkle some chives or parsley on here if you want. So I just want to show you what this looks like now that it's been in the fridge. Like, it doesn't come out of the pan. It's solid. It's solid. It is cheese. It's, I'll show you. Let's cut into it. Get wiggly cheese. And when you melt it, it is delicious. Now you see why I can't call this mayonnaise, right? I really did just make this up. What? Mind blown. Here you go, shredded cheese. Seriously, just take a fork and shred it. And then you can, you know, cut it into whatever size cheese shreds you want. Oh my goodness. And by the way, it's delicious. It's crazy. Crazy. Best part is that I love how oh, it just flew right out of the freaking jar. I love how jiggly it is and bouncy. You can freeze these, so I'm just gonna, you know, and these are healthy. It's like pretty much pure olive oil with a little gelatin. It's just good stuff. I want to know what you do with this stuff. It's so good. It's so versatile. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, subscribe. I post new videos every Thursday, sometimes bonuses on Sunday. Hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy.